what is an emergency fund slash rainy day fund and why it's important to have. I can tell you as a 48-year-old dad, you are going to run into some unexpected, catastrophic perhaps, unexpected expenses for the rest of your life. The importance of an emergency fund is having a peace of mind. You'll have less anxiety, less stress. Emergencies will always happen in life. Take my life, for example. In 2023, I had to fix my garage. I had to get my car fixed. I had to get new tires. I got laid off. These were the few top of mind stuff that were unexpected, and they were bigger than usual money expenses. You can't predict or forecast unexpected major expenses. Think about all the unexpected expenses that fell on your lap. How did you feel, physically and emotionally? For me, it wasn't a good feeling. It was upsetting at times, but at least I had a rainy day slash emergency fund to help cover these costs. I have less anxiety. Start saving small and make monthly deposits into the rainy day fund. Open up a high yield savings account, reduce your expenses, and throw the extra cash that's left over from reducing your expenses into a high yield savings account and set it up for automatic monthly deposits. The rule of thumb is typically to have 3 to 6 months of expenses in your emergency rainy day fund. It can be hard to start. Change is always hard, but trust me, it'll help you in the long run.